Hi guys, so just a quick video to alert you all that Spellbinders spring cleaning warehouse sale has already kicked off. It was supposed to start on the 20th. Sometimes they do that. It's just, getting towards midnight or whatever it is. But anyway, it's already started. So I just want to show you something about that real quick. I'll have it linked in the description box. And of course, those are affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. But you guys, sorry, I was getting all tongue-tied. So Together is the best card kit, $20. And of course, if you are a club member, sometimes they'll be 10% off of these prices and sometimes not. I think it depends on the item, or if it's like the higher ticket items, which would be like the $20, I'm not logged in here right now. Look at this. $1, you guys, for the Caryat Japonica dies that are so pretty from Susan Turney Cockburn, or Coburn. I always want to say Cockburn because that's how it is, but it's Coburn. These little dies are so pretty. So look at that. You just layer a buck. I have this exact pen. I love it. Sometimes I don't use it for like weeks at a time, just depending on which journal it's in or however. And it always works really well. I love it. It's a fountain pen. $3 for the aqua pastels. There's just a ton of deals. Again, you saw that they're $1, Domestic Daydream card kit, $20. You guys, $5 for the neutral watercolor set. I'm sure they have other colors too. That's a really pretty set. I really like that one. There's just tons of course, previous kits, but this is like one of the bigger sales they have of the year. So definitely check that out if you're interested. I'll have it linked to go right to the sales section, also just to Spellbinders. I'll have both links there. And then tomorrow we are going to finish up the swap reveals, and I set it up for 11 o'clock. It might be 11:30, just depending on if that last swap that I was waiting for comes in or at what time it comes in, but I do have it set up right now for 11 o'clock, but of course it'll go live whenever I make it go live. So I'm hoping 11 o'clock. I'm sure it'll be on the dot. But we'll see. So thank you guys so much. Thanks for hanging out today with me with the swap reveals and just being so awesome. Excuse me. So definitely, I'll have the links there in the description box for you guys. I'll be shopping it myself. Thought it was going to, go off on the 20th, and it's there now. So have a great night, you guys. I know it's very late for some of y'all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early with the Tonic Studios craft kit. When I say bright and early, they usually launches at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I'll see you guys then, and then we'll see the swap reveals. All right? Bye now.